the way, we have a better view now on this Volkswagen T2B. Amazing, huh? Citroën 2CV. And here, Opel Record. Not sure if it's an A or a B. Ah, must be an A. First generation. So, our rock. Oh, another Porsche 964. And the sound before I wasn't dying, but almost had very much spread legs. So another Beetle, and here's Herbie, but the newer variation of it says 1302. And here's a Puch G-Wagon. So before the company was sold and then becoming Magna. This could be the radio car back then from the Swiss or Austrian military. If you're seeing someone parking like this on a classic car show, then you're always knowing it's a newbie, because you usually don't show butt. I did that also once in the early years when I was going to classic car shows and was informed you never do that. But if you are brand new in the business, then it's accepted. Here, Opel Kadett B, a rally, beautiful, with a greeting to Robert of Four-Wheel Drive. Is it really a rally? Now let's find out. Yup. Here you can see a rally. And here, by the way, Opel Kadett C sedan. Oh, and there's a Ford Capri. I wanted to say it needs a polish, but maybe you're getting here through the paint. So perhaps you will need a new paint, but yeah, nice. And here the Opel Kadett. Nowadays also a rare sight, Mitsubishi Galant. I liked these when they were new. I still like them, but wow, what a rare sight. Haven't seen one for ages. This is the hatchback. I can remember the sedan of that. Very interesting. Proton also had one, which was looking kind of that, but the Proton was based on the Mitsubishi Lancer, but the exterior was looking kind of like a Galant. Very nice. Nice pale blue metallic BMW E30 Cabriolet. Also really a beautiful car. Facelift. Nice. Porsche 993. So the 911, but the model 993. The last version where it was still built with the air cooling. Carrera. Ah, nice. Chevy 3100 pickup. The advanced design from Chevy back then, or from General Motors. A little bit of a ratty look, but wow, this truck is still alive. Amazing. Chevy El Camino. This is the Chevelle front. Also beautiful when I'm seeing the rear end. The Chevelle versions were prettier than the Malibu versions of the El Camino. When it's in term, no, actually in term of the entire car, when I'm honest, when I'm seeing this. What a nice design. But I'm totally loving the front of the Malibu. So, anyway, stunning looking car. I'm sure I filmed this one before, but in case I didn't. But I'm thinking it's the Vanagon that I've seen before. Anyway, here, Fiat, NSU Fiat. Oh, that's what I told you. So NSU did build these in license for Fiat as well. So here NSU Fiat. It's looking to me like the Topolino. What a tiny little car. Or the air vent, like I told you about the 1951 Beetle. Beautiful suicide doors. I'm thinking these estates were called Jardinera or something like that. Oh, I'm already sinking down the mud. And here as well, NSU Fiat. Well, we're actually not too far away from the NSU plant. So we are in the same county. Here stands Topolino. So this is the German Topolino. Very interesting.